Okay, so we have. Okay, so it's not a flicker. It's a $5 knife from Walmart, but it's got red on it, so I got to forgive it. And that's not even shaving sharp, and it's razor sharp, so we're good there. And what we got here? Oh, two. Come on. I wasn't expecting two. What is this? Okay. Ha ha ha. There you go. Hey, oh, and it's bench made. Come on. I wonder how many times I'll get to do this before it blows up. Ha ha. Come on. Literally, I did not expect there to be two of them in the package. And again, I don't know what it is with AliExpress and Benchmade. I don't get it. They advertise this stuff, and there's no butterfly on the ad, and there's nothing that comes or is in the ad to make you think that it is a butterfly knife, so to speak. Feels very sharp. Uh, but then when you get it, it's branded as a butterfly. So I don't know. I don't. Oh, and look, crosshead screws, Phillips screws in that thing. So this one here is black. I wonder if they made a mistake and sent me to it, because there was a black one and this one, and I only thought I ordered one. And this is a butterfly knife too. Kind of figured it would poke back in there. Okay, so this was a nice surprise. I really didn't expect there to be two of them. Of course, this is plasticky, but I think it works just fine. I mean, I've only had one other one that was OTF, and it was about this long, and I was probably 15 years old, and I bought it from, what was that, Bud K or something. It was more or less like a penknife. I mean, it was, something bigger than this, but something like that, and I don't even know what happened to it. I hope it's still in my little box of knives if I can ever find my childhood to adulthood knives, which would be kind of cool if it was still in there. Chances are, see, and so it looks like the trick to these is to pull it hard and fast. If you go slow, then it may misfire. Maybe it's just this one misfired. Yeah, see? Okay, so this one, if you push it up slow, see, it didn't do it that time. It didn't do it. Let's see if we go back. And it seems to have not misfired. So there you go. Every now and then this one seems to misfire. So look, hold on. Let's let's check this out. Glass breaker. I wonder if that's coal roll. I don't think it's hardened. Anyway, okay. So, but I probably ain't seen carbon since it was in the earth. Do I even have Phillips? I think these might fit. This is kind of funny. It's kind of funny. I heard stuff pop and spring around. So there's these two right here. So I may not ever get this knife back together, but literally it's you know what? Here, let's take this pin out. It's just kind of flippy floppy in there. I mean, it ain't nothing specials at all. By no great shakes. So, what actually? Oh, there's this. Yeah, okay. So there's the spring. That's the spring. And so pushing it forward, you get it past the trip point, which is here, and it releases the knife. And this spring is stretched out and shoots it forward. And same way in reverse. So you're basically catching that pin. And that pin is loose and wobbly in there, which is just not good at all. Kind of wondering how this thing goes back together. You know what? I bet you this is it right here. Okay, so probably there. Okay, so it may only lock one. It may only lock one way from now on. I don't know. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Don't take one of these things apart. It ain't worth it. It is not worth the headache. I promise you. Okay. I think I got it in there. Let's see here. Okay, so let's get that under some tension. Let's get some attention there. Okay, so we got our attention. So here's what we got. Now, this is underneath the back of the knife, and this will catch that little stud that's flopping around in there. So as you push this forward, you're putting tension on the spring. So you're literally just running that spring forward, and that piece is coming. You see how it's getting to that part right there? Which I better quit doing that, or I'm going to poke the knife in my finger. And it pushes that in, which releases the knife, shoots forward. When it goes forward far enough, this is past this little lock, blocking it, and the blade supposedly locks out. But, so I didn't mind taking this one apart because the timing was all messed up in it. So, I ain't really as upset as I know I sound about messing up this fine piece of hardware here. So, back kinder in place. And to be honest with you, if it don't scooj them and pop out and pop in and all that good stuff, I ain't taking part again. it's just going to be the lesson learned. If I ever get a real one of these, I ain't. I just going back to the factory. I'll let them deal with their own mess. I watched a cool guy on YouTube build one of these. Dude's got more patience than anybody I know of. If this thing works, I'm going to be amazed. Okay. Oh, that's what I figured. Oh, well. Something super tight in there. I don't really care. Like I said, I don't care. I don't care. I still got me an OTF right here. I got me a bad mammer jammer. I better be careful though. I don't want to do that too many times. It might quit and blow up on me. So anyway, I mean, this is an unboxing. I'm not going to call this a review. I hope you enjoyed it. I would ask that if you enjoy this kind of stuff, that you would subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.